Cardinal coffee. Morning!
Yeah, what's up?
That's a terrible noise.
You better put on your ear protection. It's going to be loud today.
What? Well, I came bearing gifts. I got a ram board and a replacement for the rock that I broke yesterday. And he gave it to me for free.
No way.
What a guy.
I felt bad for you, huh?
Yeah. Dom is caulking the corner of our form here with a radius tool for this type of operation. And what he's gonna do is let it dry, and then he's got complete separation of this little bead, and then he's just gonna peel that bead off. I was tempted to just smuts it off, but I'm glad you said that before I just got in there and ruined there's your thing.
Thank you, Bo.
If that goes in my belt, it's never coming back.
Got it. Oh.
Okay, we made this form yesterday, and Dom mixed up some slurry concrete, but it didn't ever kick off, did it?
No, it was too saturated, and it just never kicked off last night, so doing it again.
That's my favorite way to do it, is twice.
Yep.
We're gonna save the brackets, and we have a new form. And what kind of concrete?
Some rapid setting stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. Sneak up on you.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
How'd that do? It's out. Perfect.
All right.
There's our rebar.
Okay, yeah, that's what we were after.
I think this stuff's going to set any minute.
Okay. Quick rundown of our plan today is to get the stonework done on the fireplace. We're doing this natural stone on the hearth. And then we got Dom here, and they have a product called Evolve Stone, which is a manufacturer product. And he's, what your official position was Employee of the Year, I think, with Evolve. And this stuff, you just shoot it on with a finish nailer, which makes it a lot easier than what we've been struggling with all morning and last night with this stone hearth. So that's the game plan. And the other guys are getting going on the flooring in the loft. So there's gonna be lots of noise and lots of cussing. Let's roll. Hey, so yesterday we saw the Pencil Pro. You know what I
really?
just noticed over here?
Yeah.
No.
What?
Down here.
No.
Yeah, look at that.
You guys think you're so original. I mean,
Did you do that before us?
no, I didn't.
Okay.
That was
All
out.
right. Okay.
That was out of me.
I've got more pencils if you need one.
No, it's fine. I'll put an edge on this one.
Okay.
Fine. You're fine.
Hey, pro tip here, if you're gonna install stonework down to where there's gonna be a floor later, leave your stonework up enough to slide the floor under. And that's what we're doing now. We've got this story pole, and we're checking that we can get like full courses of stone in here and still be able to slide our flooring in like that, so we don't have to cut it around the irregular shape of the stonework, which really takes a lot of time and doesn't look good.
Yeah. Another option is to just put your floor in first, but then you're doing stonework on top of your floor.
No, I don't like that idea.
That'd be bad.
I did get ramboard though.
It's about time.
We're getting power, boys! Yeah! For real? They don't care. That was fun.
That was pretty good.
Yeah. And this is fast setting concrete.
Oh, yeah.
See how fast it's gonna set. It's gonna be quick. It's probably 85 degrees out here in the sun.
Yeah.
Hey, you know that gun will keep shooting even if it doesn't have nails, right?
Oh my gosh.
Nails.
Holy crap.
Does it have nails in it?
I haven't put any nails in the whole day.
It's got air in it.
It sounds like it's shooting.
I hope you're joking
I mean,
right
it's
now.
got tons of glue on it.
What do you think?
Ooh, it's awesome. What y'all been doing all morning?
Well, we're almost done.
Bro, you see this?
Just turn the air on. Open the window.
That's working right there, buddy. All right.
Wow, that's like 20 minutes. That's crazy. What's it say as far as demold time?
I'm not reading it.
It's like whatever you think is good.
No. Sets in 50 minutes, walk on in 1 hour.
You know, it'd be the worst trick ever is to put that in a concrete truck
yeah.
and send it down the road. What's going on?
You'd have to dynamite that thing.
Seriously, I didn't know if you were joking or not up there. I was like, oh my
I know
gosh.
you didn't.
He was like,
And that's what scares me. Like, you have zero trust in me.
we were the ones saying that you didn't know it if it had nails.
But you're
in it.
like, wow, he could have really done that.
You could have really done that. I
know,
mean, I
but-
could see anybody doing that.
No, don't lie. You don't question anybody else except for me. You know, you got to put nails in that, right? I don't hear you telling Ray that.
So we're foregoing the normal grout bag. Jamie's got a tiny, I don't know what, looks
know,
like you made that thing.
You cannot buy this at the store.
I guarantee you
I
that.
am sure that. No, I made this. I made
And,
that once upon a time. It's a great tool though. It ain't pretty, but that's not what
He's
works.
just swiping it in, and Dom's coming back, and
Trying to.
I don't know what, he's building a pyramid. I see the problem, you're wearing sunglasses.
Yeah, you're right.
I think patting it's really
That's
helped.
his
pat it down.
It's his
Pat technique.
patented technique there. Patent.
All right, I see where this is
Patent.
going. Yep. So I do want to give Evolve Stone a plug that it looks great, and we did all this in like 15 minutes, both sides there. It's got little flaky, shiny things that looks like real stone, and the nail heads really disappear, like you can't even see them. If you had any takeaways up to this point working with us, the Perkins Builder Brothers, what would it be?
Any takeaways? You put me on the spot. I don't know. I don't know. You guys move pretty quick, and you just feel it out and get it done. You know, this project kind of evolved today, and it's.
Oh, I like the way you
done.
use that word too.
Yeah.
That's the name of your company.
It's impossible to avoid. That one is impossible to avoid.
Hey, thanks to Skullbliss for sponsoring this episode. They offer ethically sourced carved animal skulls and decor elements that you won't find anywhere else. They take pride in working with skilled artisans and imaginative designers to bring you skull art that becomes the centerpiece of your room. Skullbliss started in Bali and continues their relationship with Balinese artists today. I ended up choosing a metallic finish mosaic longhorn with a wooden wall mount, and it's like this big.
You got a big old rack.
I got a big old rack of horns is what I got. And it looks awesome, and it is the centerpiece of my living room. It's super bold, and I love it. Sock it. And very importantly at Skullbliss, no animals are harmed just for their skull. Their authentic skulls are the byproduct of local Balinese industry, and they turn these would-be waste products into detailed artworks in a process that pays respect to the life of the beautiful creature. If you're looking for some one-of-a-kind or bold decor for your house, just click the link down in our description or go to skullbliss.com and use our discount code PBB50 for $50 off site-wide, even on discounted products until September 1st. Thank you to Skullbliss for sponsoring our episode. Let's get back to work.
Today's phrase is that don't matter. Something like that. It don't matter. Yeah,
That's how you get it done, though.
that'll
you have
be-
to keep rolling.
I'm taking that one. I'm taking that one home for sure. It don't matter.
It's smooth. That's good. It's cured anyway.
Nice.
Wow.
Clean up that caulk.
Flip it on his back. Ooh, that looks pretty. Wow. Hey, not bad.
It's cured.
Our radius turned out good. The only problem was the caulk didn't fully cure. So it was all stuck to it, but we just wiped it down like 10 minutes.
Yep, just clean
Don't
it
matter. And
matter.
this is good. It's probably the best one I've ever seen in person. So
Yeah, you mess a couple of these up, you get it right eventually. And at the end of the day, don't matter.
that's right. And hey, now you're getting it.
Right this way.
Oh God, dude.
Dude, you crazy fool!
Yep.
Dude, if you would have dropped that thing, even though you were just fooling, okay, remember you can't step on stones. You gotta reach out.
3 inches. 3 inches.
Something just
Yeah, daddy-o.
Wow.
Dang.
Here, I got a screw.
2 3/4. 2 3/4?
Yep.
2 3/4.
Ooh, that sealer did not like being hot.
Oh no.
Ah.
That won't fall off here now.
Maybe
Oh, look at that.
Seal it again.
We'll let it cool down and we'll see it.
That was hot. I'm really glad we did this lintel. I'm loving the look of it because it looks like it's beefy enough to bear the weight of stone or whatever's above it on the fireplace. Gives it a real kind of authentic, beefy look, I think. What do you think?
I think I love it.
Yeah, and I don't know that we really needed it, but I think it looks great.
The color of the concrete, the steel concrete is so good with the...
Yeah, it really looks good. We're trying to figure out, though, what's that going to be? And it could be, what, a couple things?
It could be, we could do some maple boards vertical that kind of have a rough sawn look. It kind of looks like barnwood, but not really. It's
not really barnwood.
Same stuff we used in the Modern Mountain Getaway, but not planed. You know, just rough surface. Open studs and insulation, that's a look. It's got that open kind of feel, you know?
We talked about maybe even like old tin roofing.
Yeah, like
it's kind of
half rusted.
Edgy.
I don't know. It's like going to a
We're gonna-
restaurant and you see it for wainscoting. I don't know. Not in love with that. I don't know. I'm kind of running out of ideas.
Shiplap,
Shiplap would be an idea.
but
Horizontal.
we don't know. We're gonna get with the homeowner.
We could paint. We could paint some wide boards and see it kind of gappy, kind of
Oh,
like
that
the
might be
shiplap.
fun, yeah.
But kind of like random and not all uniform. Like shiplap is all uniform widths and they're narrow usually.
Yeah.
So we could do like wider maybe.
That might look really cool.
Painted.
Hey,
with some-
take a vote on it down in the comments.
all right.
We will read them at least. You will.
Yes, it'll be done by the time you read it, but we'll read it anyway.
Here's some other options that Evolved Stone is working on, prototype products.
Yes, exactly.
This is Sushiban. Not really. What's the name of it?
Shisugiban. Everyone says it different.
Sushiban, which and this is a faux burned wood, like they would do in the Japanese to keep it from rotting. It's like
Keeps it a fire rating. They keep it, to preserve the wood.
But this
all
is
kinds
not
of-
wood.
Yeah.
What is it? You can't probably tell us what it is.
It's a similar material. To
Okay, there you go. That's a good way to put it.
It's a similar
And
material
then
to something else.
This I really like. This is a board form concrete look. And this would be like if you formed concrete with boards and then pulled the boards off, that's what your concrete would look like.
This is very cool.
Yeah, and that's hold
I
that up
like
there,
this.
Jamie.
I mean,
Dude, that would be wow. Yeah.
I like it. I don't know.
Let's take it. Oh yeah. Well, hold that up there too. Ooh.
That's pretty cool. Although it's very similar to the rock color, but different. I'm not
Yeah,
sure. I'm not
yeah.
sure.
Maybe something to break
Let me get up close where I can see the texture of this better, because it's like super. Yeah,
it
there
looks
you
so
go.
Realistic too.
It does. It's really pretty amazing.
If I didn't know that was not a real board, you would never be able to convince me it wasn't real.
And this guy knows everything about boards.
There you go.
He talks about boards more than I can handle.
Yeah.
Actually.
Wow.
Cool. So these may be coming to the product lineup in the future. Nice work, gentlemen. All glued and nailed up here.
Nailed?
Oh, come on. So we are doing the ram board this time. Last time was it was the last time we could, wanted to pick up paint sprockles off the corner. It was just,
Every house.
just
we
little,
gotta cover. We gotta
it looks
cover.
fine until you look close and oh, there's a million little paint dots. And
spend the whole day picking at them.
yeah, so we're really doing it. Ram board, and it was about $300 to buy it, but I think it's gonna be worth it.
You got enough?
I think so.
Not a chance.
You know what really just impressed me?
What's that?
You guys left the tape on the ram board far enough out to put the baseboard down without being on top of the tape. Wow. Wow.
I mean,
I don't even know if I would have thought of that, is why I'm saying it. But you did. Way to go.
trying to make us feel good. Thanks, bud.
That wraps up our stonework install on our fireplace with the Evolve Stone. And we've always had lots of questions in the comments about the Evolve Stone, what we think about it. So we thought we'd give you some opinions on it.
Well, what I really like about it is it gives you the control to do it yourself, because you don't have to have years of experience as a master stone craftsman.
Mason.
There it is. See, I'm obviously not one if I don't
Yeah.
even know what it's called.
Yeah.
All right, you don't have to have those years of experience because it is so simple that I would say almost anybody can do it.
Right, and you don't have to take on natural stone, okay, you can't just grab a piece and stick it on. Every single piece, you gotta pick it up, look at it, hold it, chip it with a hammer, with a rock hammer, and I've done this, it's painful. If you do a good job, you can end up with a good result. If you are not experienced, it might look like
Your first time?
yeah. So, and also we like being able to do this. We have had some trouble in the past with hiring someone who maybe didn't have a good eye for what level is, and they're going along and you come in and look and the whole row of the stonework is like doing this, and then what do you do?
Well, at
do you
that
tell the
point-
guy like, whoa, stop and tear it down? Or are you like, maybe we can live with it? It's just,
have you heard of that saying, set in stone?
Yeah.
Is it set in stone? Yes, it's already set in stone.
Yeah.
So are you going to change it? That means it's a big deal to change.
yeah. So we like with the Evolve Stone that we can do it very quickly. We can do it ourselves. We know that, the things that catch our eye as far as looking bad are going to look good. So in that respect, we really love it. I also want to mention, just for anybody trying to use this on a fireplace, that we did read all of the instructions. Uh-oh, Ray, you're still diabetic.
Is your beeper beeping?
Your beeper's beeping. So anyway, read all your instructions. That is a Class B fire-rated material. There's also Class A fire-rated materials.
Yeah.
Non-combustible, but the material, the Evolve Stone, is Class B fire-rated. So make sure if you're going to use it yourself, you don't put it in some place that has to be a non-combustible. That could be a problem.
Yeah, you got to read up on this stuff. I don't even know what technically makes something Class A or Class B or the fireplace Class A or B. You really just got to read all of the instructions and call the company if you have questions, because
That's right.
It may not even have all the answers in the instructions for you.
That's right. So hey, thanks for building with us. Thank you to Evolve Stone for coming down and helping us out. Dom, we'll see you on the next one. Pump it up.